5 guys, may gabi na inyong tanan guys. Production proper of the Upland Stockfeed Corporation in Pagsabungan, Greenview Subdivision, Mandawi City. The process using by the conveyor. Now to class of product will run at the conveyor guys. Mylora mix of Upland mix. What do you think guys? Beautiful. God bless. Bye bye.